Solve and graph that abomination and that other abomination. Well, this is a compound inequality that is also an and, so one thing at a time. We'll make you blue. 8p minus 13 is less than or equal to negative 2 plus 7p. Let's get rid of the variables first. I like to always make sure that my variable's on the left side, so let's subtract 7p. Let's subtract 7p. That crosses out. 8p minus 7p is p. P minus 13 is less than or equal to negative 2. Okay, one stepper now. Add 13, and p is less than or equal to 11. Okay, donezo. This guy, I'll make you red, is going to be 20 plus 4p is less than 2p plus 14. Approach it the same way. I like my variable on the left side. Subtract 2p, and that gives me 20 plus 2p is less than 14. Subtract 20, that crosses out. 2p is less than negative 6. Divide by 2, and I'll write it over here. P is less than negative 3. Now, these are both less thans, okay? And whenever you have an and statement, you need to make sure that whatever your final answer is covers both things. So, for example, if I were to make like a rough draft of this, right? Here's 11, here's negative 3. All right, 11, the blue guy would look like this. Fill in the 11, go to the left. The red guy would look like this. Fill in the negative 3. Actually, don't fill it in, but move to the left. Now, what matters here is I care about where both lines intersect each other because this is an and statement. So that happens at negative 3, but not including negative 3. So from here on to the left, both of these lines cover each other. But since negative 3 is not included here, I'm not going to include negative 3 in my final answer. So my answer is going to be negative 3, not filled in, moving to the left. Like that. All right? So that's what you're looking for with these and statements. With the and statements, you care about where both of your lines intersect each other. And in this case, they were both heading in the same direction, which is unique, but not impossible. And, you know, as long as you put your heart to it, nothing's impossible, right? Am I right, kids? Like and subscribe.